everyone, welcome back to Hello Moms of India. I am Padmaja. In this video, I am going to share with you the daily practice worksheet on alphabets which you must include for your child's everyday activity, which will increase their knowledge on alphabets. So yes, this video is going to be very much informative. Do watch the video till the end, and if you find it informative, do like, share with others, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about the updates of the channel. In this video, in this activity, Adhya is going to help me out. Adhya, say hi to all.
Hi to all.
Okay. So yes, as you can see, I have prepared some activity sheet and I am going to ask Adhya to perform the activity. As the first activity, I have taken the alphabets in the different row and I am telling her to do a match. Adhya, do a match. Yes, do it in this room. Chalo, do it. Find out A and do a match. Yes. Do.
Dandelion.
No, slanting it. Do. Join A. Yeah, join it. Very good. Next.
E.
Yes, do it.
Dandelion. Very good.
Very good. Next.
BB.
Join. Very good. Next.
M.
M is not there. R is there. Very good. Next.
W.
Join.
N.
No. Join. Very good. So as you can see, I have asked her to do a match, and yes, during this activity don't give much instruction. If you find your child is confused, only give some prompts, otherwise don't interrupt much. So we'll go to the next activity. Now do a match with the lowercase letter. Do it here.
Can you just look at that?
Yes, can you join lowercase letter?
A. Dandelion.
Okay, next.
Eagle.
Found the D finally. Very good. So in this activity, your child will try to find out the alphabet in different rows and try to do a match.
T.
Yes. Okay. Join him. Very good. So this activity is with the lowercase. If your child have the understanding on the uppercase and the lowercase, this activity is going to help them a lot. In the next activity, I have taken an alphabet, one in the bigger one, and I have put the B in other places, and she has to find the letter and do a circle. Just find out B and do a circle where all B is there.
Can you just look at that?
No, lowercase we have done. Now we have to find B and you have to do a circle. Very good. Now, where is B is there? Yes, circle B. Very good. Next. Where else? Very good. Where else? So this is the activity where I have put B in different places and she has to find and do a circle. I am telling her to do a circle. You can, if your child is not able to do a circle, you can tell them to do a pointer. And this activity is with the lowercase.
Can you join lowercase?
No, in this you should not join. You have to find it and do a circle. Find out B and do a circle. Very good. Next, B. No, that is not B. Yes. Very good.
This is D.
Yes, this is D.
This is B.
Yeah. In the beginning, your child will have some ambiguity with a similar visibility letter like B and D, but through the activity that will go off. Chalo. Some more B's are there. Do a circle.
This is B.
This is D. Do a circle B.
This is
Circle.
B.
We'll go to the next activity. So in this activity, I have taken the similar visibility letter, as you can see, and from them I will tell Adya to find out the particular letter. So this I have taken with the uppercase. Adya, can you find out where is J in this row, in this line? Where is J? Yes, very good. Do a circle. Very good. In this, where is B? Yes. Do a circle. Very good. Where is T in this line? Yes. Circle it. Very good. In this, where is V is there? V. Yes. Circle it. Where is Q in this line? Very good. Circle it. Q. Yes. So yes, this is what the activity sheet looks like, and I have asked her to circle J, which looks similar with I, and yeah, V, W, those are by visibility, those look similar, but yes, in the beginning child will have some ambiguity, but that will go up soon. The next activity I have taken the lowercase, similar issue, through visibility they look similar, and child has to find out the particular letter. Adya, can you find out D? Where is D in this line? Yes. Do a circle. Very good. Where is T in this line? Yes. Circle. Very good. Where is N in this line? Do it. Yes, circle it. Where is Q in this line? Circle. Very good. Where is B in this line? Yes, circle it. Very good. So this is also another activity which is completed. Here I have put the similar visible letter with lowercase letter, and as you can see, she has circled the one which I have asked for. In the next one, this activity you can, that is done. This activity you can introduce when your child knows the order of alphabet. So if they know, then they will be able to perform this activity. Even if they don't, if you perform this activity, this will help them to understand the order of the alphabet. So yes, A, B, what is missing here?
C.
Very good. Okay, mommy will write C. So A, B, C, D. Now E, G, H, what is missing here?
No.
Which color you want? Tell me which color. Okay, pink avenues. Okay, fine. So A, B, C, D. Now E, which is what is missing here? E dash G H. What is missing here? What is missing here in this? Very good. F. I, J, K. What is missing here? I. Very good. F. Okay, this looks like, okay, this is F only. I have mentioned F only. Correct. M, N, P. What is missing here? No. See it correctly. M, N. What is next? See it here. Look at here. This is nothing. Look at here. M, N. Yes. M, N, O, P. Very good. So yeah, this activity I wrote because she cannot write it. So, but she helped her to find out what is the missing letter, and this the child can perform when the child has the knowledge on the order of the alphabet. So yes, these are some of the activities I would recommend you must include for your child's everyday activity. This will really help your child to get the more understanding on alphabet. And yes, Ajay, yeah, it's a recommendation. You must include this activity every day. And when you are performing this activity, don't interrupt your child much. Just try to give a little prompt. With the prompt, if your child is not able to do, then give more prompts. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I will come up with different activities on the higher level on alphabets and phonic sound. So yes, till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.